Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Canva for marketing flyers login, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Canva in the address bar. Press the Enter key to navigate to the website. Once the Canva homepage loads, locate the Login button at the top right corner. Click on the Login button to proceed. You will be presented with several login options. If you already have an account, enter your email address and password in the designated fields. For those who prefer alternative login methods, you can choose to sign in using Google, Facebook, or Apple. Follow the prompts for the method you select. If you're using email and password, click Login after entering your credentials. For new users, click on the Sign Up button instead. Fill in the required details to create your new account. Once logged in, you will be taken to the Canva dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the search bar at the top. Type in flyers to find available templates for marketing. Explore the various options and select a flyer template that suits your needs. Click on the template to open it in the Canva editor. Now you can customize the flyer to fit your marketing goals. Add your text, images, and any additional elements you want. When you're satisfied with your design, locate the Download button in the top right corner. Select your preferred file type for exporting your flyer. Click the Download button to save the flyer to your device. Congratulations, you have successfully authenticated with Canva and created a marketing flyer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.